guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be about the off-white Nike Dunk Lows. Now I have all three colorways to show you guys, so I thought I'll give you guys a closer look in case you're interested in this upcoming release. Now I picked these up at Kick SUW and unfortunately it's not in my size. I have like a 9.5 and an 8.5. So in terms of on feet, I'm probably only going to do this Michigan colorway because it's the smallest of all three, even though it's still way too big for me, but I thought I'll do it anyway so you guys can get a better idea of what it looks like on feet in case you're thinking about picking these up. But yeah, let's just start off with this colorway then. This is the Michigan colorway. It is a mix of navy blue and a really nice yellow gold color, and it has the accent laces here in sort of a neon red orange, and I think the color combination is really good. I do enjoy this whole double lacing system. Now this is not the first time we've seen it on a sneaker. The previous Nike off-white release is the Zoom Terra Kyger 5, and as you guys can see, it does have the very similar sort of like hiking shoe inspired laces, if you guys know what I mean. They both do have the double lacing system, which I think really adds to the sneaker aesthetically. I don't know in terms of functionality whether it does very much, but I think like aesthetically it does look very cool. In terms of the detail, you can see that on the tongue here it has the signature sort of exposed foam tongue, just like we've seen with previous off-white Nike collaborations. This does have the navy blue outsole to match the rest of the sneaker, and the midsole is white. Also, you can notice here there's a little orange tab here, which is again another signature look that we've seen on all the off-white Nike collaborations. And another detail to notice is that if you look at the shoelaces, there is the very signature shoelaces in quotation marks. I just realized like the color combination of like blue and yellow just reminds me of IKEA. And speaking of IKEA, did you guys pick up anything from the IKEA off-white collaboration? I didn't. I think some of the pieces are pretty cute, but then I kind of forgot that it was releasing the other day and then I didn't wake up. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of that collaboration and whether I should pick up any of the pieces and whether I should be paying resale for that. Let me know. But anyway, yeah, this color combination was just like, that's IKEA, even though like the tone of blue is a lot different for the IKEA logo. But does this not remind you of like an IKEA colorway? But anyway, moving on to the next colorway. This is the University Red. Actually, I'll show you guys the other side. This is the left foot, and all of the sneakers come with this sort of creamy translucent white like zip tie tag thing. Again, it's a very like Virgil kind of thing. Personally for me, I don't know whether I would wear this with this attached. I know some people do. I know it's part of the look, but I don't think personally for me, I'll keep this on when I wear the sneakers. And yeah, this is the University Red colorway as I mentioned. So it is a mix of red and gray, and it has the same sort of neon laces that go across the sneaker. It has a red outsole and a white midsole, so I think the color combination again is really good. And if you look at the middle side of the sneaker, it does have that signature sort of like writing or like print on the sneaker. Again, you know, we are pretty familiar with that look with the off-white collaborations. And last but not least, we have the pine green colorway, and I actually do quite like this color. I like how the laces really pop on this because it's on like a white color on the sneaker, so I feel like you can see the sort of neon laces a lot clearer. I feel like on feet these would definitely look really cool. This is probably my favorite colorway out of the three. This comes pretty close though, but I think personally for me, I really do like the green and white colorway. And it does again have the green outsole, white midsole, same orange detailing over here near the heel, and then moving to the back of the sneaker, you can see you know, it is quite still minimal and true to the Dunk Low silhouette. I like how they've added this hiking inspired laces, but overall he has really kept that Dunk Low silhouette, which I think again is very wearable. I don't think this sneaker is too crazy because when they released this one, for example, the Zoom Terra Kyger 5, like I don't think this was a look for everyone. But again, with this lacing system, next week they will be releasing the off-white Nike Vapor Street, and based on the images it has the same lacing system, and I think it has this spiky outsole as well. I will try my best to do a video on that if you guys are interested. I think there's also going to be apparel as part of that collection, so if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. I'll try my best to do an early review of those sneakers and that collection. So yeah, let me know and I'll do that for you guys. But yeah, in terms of sizing, now I don't have this in my size, so I probably am not the best person to tell you about sizing, but based on what I've heard, and I've gotten friends to try these on, they all say it is true to size, so just go for your regular Nike sizing and you should be fine. So yeah, that's the 3 colorways that will be dropping, I think December, if I'm not mistaken. That was the rumored date. It was meant to drop in October. I think that didn't happen, so I'm not too sure, so you guys should keep an eye out if you are interested in this release. Again, like all Again, like all off-white Nike releases, they tend to be really popular, so obviously your copying game needs to be on point. Make sure you know what days they're coming out and you know where to get them and stuff like that. But yeah, overall I do think the sneakers are really nice. I think they're really wearable and I like the pop of color. I think if styled right, it will definitely look really good. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. I know it's a little bit short, but I just got these yesterday and just really wanted to do the video for you guys. I will try my best to get them in my size in the future. Maybe when it's closer to the release date, I'll try and do another sort of on-feet or styling video if you guys are interested. Again, let me know in the comments below what you guys are interested in seeing. Now I know the Yeezy 380 release is coming out next weekend, and I've gotten some questions if I'm going to do an early unboxing, and guys, I'm trying. So I'm trying to sort out a pair to do a video, but I'm not too sure yet. But of course I really want to do that video for you guys, so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel just in case I do end up posting that video. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, it's just at Monsieur Banana. I will update you guys there if I will be doing an early review of the Yeezy 380. Fingers crossed I can get myself a pair because I really want to. I'm so hyped for that release. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me today, guys. I'll link in the description bar below where you guys can pick these up. Obviously you need to pay resale at this stage, but if you guys are interested, I'll link it down below so you guys can check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye. Hey guys! What's wrong with my voice? Today's video is going to be about the Nike off-white dough. What? I'm just thinking about donuts. This is such a struggle trying to get this thumbnail every single time.